Here we have a Volkswagen Polo. It's a Mark 6 hatchback, 1 litre, TSI match, 95 PS. Now the car's looking good and it has a great spec, including an automatic post-collision brake, hill hold control, an anti-lock braking system, battery regeneration during braking, front and rear parking sensors, a hydraulic brake assist and 15-inch Sassari alloy wheels. Now the boot's a good size and it comes fully equipped with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has Volkswagen Connect, a composition media system and 2 USB ports for Apple or Android CarPlay. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.